Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Let us know in the comments that you're subscribed and what you think of this video. We'll reply to you personally. You can also give a thumbs up. Thanks for that. Machine maintenance. Machine maintenance is the process of inspecting, cleaning, repairing, and upgrading machines and equipment to ensure that they operate at optimal levels. Proper maintenance of machines is critical for ensuring their longevity and preventing unexpected breakdowns that can lead to costly downtime and lost productivity. There are several types of machine conservation, including preventive conservation, predictive conservation, and corrective conservation. Preventive maintenance involves regular inspections and cleaning to prevent machine failure before it occurs. Predictive maintenance uses sensors and analytics to detect potential problems before they lead to machine failure. Corrective maintenance is performed after a machine has already failed and involves repairs and replacement of damaged parts. Regular machine maintenance is essential for maximizing machine uptime, reducing repair costs, and improving overall machine performance. It helps to identify potential problems early on, preventing them from turning into major issues that can disrupt production and cause delays. In addition, regular maintenance can help to extend the lifespan of machines and equipment, reducing the need for costly replacements. Why machinery maintenance is important. Regular maintenance can help identify and fix potential issues before they cause a major problem. This helps to increase the reliability of the machine and reduce the likelihood of unplanned downtime. It ensures that machines are working safely and efficiently, reducing the risk of accidents or injuries. Proper maintenance helps to extend the lifespan of machines and equipment, reducing the need for costly replacements and improving the return on investment. It can help identify potential problems early on, allowing for repairs to be made before they become more costly and time-consuming. Machines that are properly maintained are less likely to break down and require repairs, which can result in increased productivity and reduced downtime. Regular maintenance is often required by industry regulations and standards to ensure that machines are safe and operating within acceptable parameters. How engineers maintain and repair huge machinery. Regular inspections are conducted to identify any potential issues before they become bigger problems. Engineers check for wear and tear, corrosion, and other signs of damage. Preventive maintenance involves regular cleaning, lubrication, and adjustment of machinery to prevent breakdowns. Predictive maintenance uses sensors and analytics to detect potential problems before they occur. Engineers analyze data to identify patterns and predict when maintenance will be required. Corrective maintenance is performed after a machine has already failed. Engineers repair or replace damaged parts to bring the machine back to its normal operating condition. Engineers may recommend upgrades or modifications to improve the performance or efficiency of machinery. This can include adding new sensors, replacing outdated components, or installing new software. Engineers ensure that operators and maintenance staff are trained on the proper use and maintenance of machinery. They also create documentation, such as maintenance manuals and procedures, to ensure that proper maintenance practices are followed. How to improve machine maintenance. Create a maintenance schedule that outlines regular inspections, preventive maintenance tasks, and any necessary repairs. This schedule should be based on the manufacturer's recommendations and industry's best practices. Collect and analyze data from sensors and other sources to identify patterns and predict when maintenance will be required. This can help reduce the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns. Train maintenance staff on the proper use and maintenance of machinery. This includes understanding how the machine works, how to perform regular maintenance tasks, and how to identify potential issues. Use a maintenance management system to track maintenance tasks, schedule inspections, and keep track of repair history. This can help ensure that maintenance is being performed on schedule and identify any issues that require attention. Use high-quality replacement parts when repairing machinery to ensure that it operates as intended. Cheap or low-quality parts can result in further damage to the machine and increase the likelihood of future breakdowns. Regular cleaning and lubrication can help prevent wear and tear on machinery. reducing the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns and prolonging the lifespan of the machine. Encourage staff to report any issues or potential problems with machinery. This can help identify issues early on and prevent them from becoming bigger problems. Improving machine maintenance requires a combination of proper scheduling, data analysis, staff training, and regular cleaning and lubrication. By implementing these strategies, companies can reduce unexpected downtime, improve the performance and reliability of machinery, and extend the lifespan of their equipment. Pros of machine maintenance. Regular maintenance can help prevent unexpected breakdowns and extend the lifespan of machines, resulting in improved reliability and less downtime. Regular maintenance can help identify and address safety issues, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries in the workplace. Properly maintained machines operate more efficiently, reducing energy consumption and increasing productivity. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and replacements, resulting in cost savings for the business. Regular maintenance helps ensure that machines are operating within regulatory and safety standards. Cons of machine maintenance. Performing regular maintenance can be time-consuming and require significant resources, including staff time and specialized equipment. While regular maintenance can result in cost savings over time, it can also be expensive to implement and maintain, especially for larger and more complex machines. Maintenance may require machines to be shut down or taken out of service, which can disrupt operations and result in downtime. Proper maintenance requires specialized training and expertise, which can be difficult to acquire or maintain. While machine maintenance has several advantages, there are also potential disadvantages, such as time and resource requirements and disruption to operations. However, these drawbacks are generally outweighed by the benefits of improved reliability, safety, efficiency, cost savings, and compliance. Breakdown maintenance. Breakdown maintenance, also known as reactive maintenance, is a type of maintenance strategy where maintenance is only performed on a machine or equipment after it has broken down or failed. This type of maintenance is typically performed in response to an unexpected breakdown or failure and is focused on restoring the machine or equipment to its normal operating condition as quickly as possible. While breakdown maintenance has some benefits, it is generally not the most effective strategy for maintaining machines or equipment in the long term. Implementing preventive maintenance, which involves regularly scheduled maintenance tasks and inspections, can help identify potential issues before they become major problems, resulting in fewer unexpected breakdowns, lower repair costs, and increased safety and productivity. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a type of maintenance strategy that involves performing regular maintenance tasks and inspections on machines or equipment to prevent breakdowns and extend their lifespan. The goal of preventive maintenance is to identify and address potential issues before they become major problems, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns, improving reliability, and minimizing repair costs. Are you enjoying our video? Before we continue with the video, please make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more amazing videos from us. Let's continue to see how engineers maintain and repair giant machinery. Procedure for maintenance. The specific procedure for maintenance will vary depending on the type of machine or equipment being maintained, as well as the specific maintenance tasks required. Identify the maintenance requirements. Review the manufacturer's instructions, maintenance manuals, and other documentation to determine the recommended maintenance schedule and tasks for the machine or equipment. Develop a maintenance schedule that includes regular inspections, cleaning, lubrication, and other preventive maintenance tasks. Schedule downtime for more extensive maintenance tasks, such as repairs or replacement of parts. Assign specific responsibilities for maintenance tasks to appropriate personnel, and ensure that everyone is properly trained on the procedures and safety requirements. Gather all necessary tools, equipment, and materials needed for the maintenance tasks. Before performing any maintenance, ensure that the machine or equipment is properly shut down and isolated to prevent accidental startup or other safety hazards. Follow the manufacturer's instructions or other guidelines to perform the required maintenance tasks, including inspections, cleaning, lubrication, and repairs or replacement of parts as necessary. Record the results of the maintenance task in a log or other documentation and report any issues or problems to appropriate personnel. After completing the maintenance task, verify that the machine or equipment is operating properly before returning it to service. Follow up on any outstanding issues or recommendations, and adjust the maintenance schedule or procedures as needed. By following these steps, business businesses can ensure that their machines and equipment are properly maintained and operating at peak performance, while minimizing the risk of unexpected breakdowns and other issues. Huge machines, maintenance tools, and equipment. Various sizes of wrenches and pliers are required to tighten, loosen, and adjust nuts, bolts, and other machine components. Socket sets are used to tighten and loosen bolts and nuts with greater precision than using traditional wrenches. These are used to apply a specific amount of torque to a bolt or nut, ensuring that it is tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. These include vibration analyzers, temperature sensors, and other monitoring devices that help diagnose problems with machine components, such as pressure washers, solvents, and degreasers to remove dirt, grime, and other contaminants from machine surfaces. Hoist cranes and lifting jacks are used to lift and support heavy machine components during maintenance activities. Lubrication guns and systems are used to apply lubricants to machine components to reduce friction and wear. Welding machines, plasma cutters, and torches are used to repair or replace machine components that are damaged or worn. Using these specialized tools and equipment, maintenance engineers can perform maintenance tasks safely and efficiently, ensuring that the huge machines continue to operate at peak performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know in the comments that you're subscribed and what you think of this video. We'll reply to you personally. You can also give a thumbs up. Thanks for that.